Russian space station is still in orbit around the Earth.
Well, I think they can look back with a lot of pride in what they've accomplished. They've gathered the most experience in space of any country. They have the longest survival rate in space. They have the greatest bulk of data on how human beings react in space. They've had the greatest experience, could be more experience than they really would have liked in responding to emergencies in space.
These emergencies include a collision with an unmanned cargo ship and a fire which burnt for 90 seconds and almost caused the space station to be abandoned. The next and possibly last mission will include a French astronaut from the European Space Agency to carry out studies on how bones change in space. Most observers expect the mission to be MIR's swan song, but the Russians remain hopeful, especially when they could celebrate 10 years continuous manned presence in space in September.
The Russians have said that even though the current sponsorship deals have fallen through, they are still looking for sponsorship to allow at least another 2 missions to MIR, each lasting about 6 months or so. And in fact, there are crews in training for those missions. It's simply a question of that sponsorship money coming through.
NASA will almost certainly not want this to happen. They want Russia to concentrate on the International Space Station, especially when Russia's financial difficulties have already caused delays in its construction. Sue Nelson, BBC News.